what a day. Little crescent moon. No clouds in the sky. Cold though, my hands are freezing. But I just happened to just wake up and I noticed like a bit of a glow through the blind, and I looked and I'm like, wow. This is beautiful. This little dispersed camping here has quite the nice little mountains behind it, and I thought, I didn't know I was going to be hiking up them this morning. Wow, this is spectacular. My hands are cold. Oh, I have to go get the Star Lake off the top. Okay, and have to do dishes. Dang it. So it's 11:22. Like, I thought it was maybe near 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. Wow, time just disappears. That's why there's nobody in the campground anymore. Well, one vehicle. Maybe 2, but there might have been over 10, and now there's none. That's because they are out and about. Anyways, I'm gonna get started now. Oh well, so sure is pretty here though. That was great. Was so nervous about finding a place, and then it just appeared, and I'm like, oh no, I don't want to go this way. There's too many rocks. Oh, I gotta back up and go around that way. It's like these big boulders. Unnecessary. This way is much better. It's still gonna be bumpy, but it's not as bad. Yeah, it's still bumpy. I should go this way. Whoa. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yeah, not a cloud in the sky. All right, almost back to pavement. That was awesome. Oof, come on. Really? The view's just gonna view? Look at these beautiful mountains up here. And green. The orange and the green. They've had a bit of rain here, so things are pretty happy out here in the desert right now. So, hello, gorgeous. Hi, gorgeous. Oh, you're so pretty. Where are you going? Okay, I'm just pulling over because my drawers keep opening up, but could I have framed this any better? Like, look at this. I'm on Highway 12, going up and over these mountains, obviously in high alpine here. Just my drawers are driving me crazy. They keep flying open. I feel like it's gonna break. They put masking tape here. I mean, these are not staying. I'm gonna have to put another piece, I think. I'm gonna put another piece there. Stay. Hopefully that works. No cars. Okay, this must be the summit. 9,600 feet. Okay, that's a good climb. Oh my gosh, it's driving me crazy. Okay, I know what the rattle is this time. I forgot to lock the door. Okay, one more stop. I'm like exhausted from doing nothing. All right, carry on, carry on. All right, I don't remember where I'm at. I will get the name. But I'm here and there's a hike here. There's a lot of trees, there's a river, there's red rock, there's a lot of really cool things. So I found one spot for the RV. This place is jam-packed. Lots of people are here, but it looks gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do it. I can't even look it up. I don't have cell service. Just gonna get my stuff together. Oh, butterfly. Butterfly, cactus, yellow trees, blue skies, red rocks. What else does a girl need? I'm so excited to try my new shoes that are waterproof and walk across. And totally cracked my knee, but it's fine. It's fine. You'd never guess this oasis was hiding behind all that desert rock. This hike's about 9 kilometers, about 6 miles round trip. It's funny, I never really want to start. There's always this part of my brain that says, ugh, do we have to? Like, going for a hike is some big project. But once I get going, everything changes. My body finds its rhythm, it smells the air is clean, and suddenly I remember how good this feels. I'm not fast, but I've got endurance. Once I settle in, I can go forever. And that little spark of energy, that quiet strength, always surprises me. I think that's why I love most about hiking like this. It's not about distance or calories or timing. It's about remembering that moving my body feels good. And sometimes it's the only thing that clears my head. Just walking through color and light, no signal, no noise. So yeah, starting is always the hardest part. But this, being out here, this part is easy. Well, it's pretty impressive, a lot bigger than I had imagined, especially being in the desert. Wow. 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 Oh wow, this is incredible. Well, that was incredible. It is so cold there, though. There's no sun. Maybe if I don't stop very much, I'll be back in an hour and a bit. So it's going to be like 5:30. And guess what? I have no idea where I'm staying tonight. Oh my. But I'm kind of hoping I see dispersed camping along the way like I did yesterday. Maybe put it out there in the universe, see what happens. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Oh, it's getting warmer. Oh, it's so cold. My hands are frozen.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave
think I found some camping. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. I think this will do. Found a place to stay tonight. Feel good. A lot of different RV types of people are here. Exactly what I was hoping to find. The sun is just, it's just leaving. It's gone. The sun is gone.